Alright, welcome friends to another Let's Mod the General 0 hour to make the best game ever. Most polished, most beautiful, most stable, best gameplay. Yeah. So yesterday we finished, what did we do? We polished some text CB, this one, CB apt, yeah, we repolished. We can probably delete these DDS files. I think the next thing we wanted to do is have a look at the grass huts. The grass huts once more, yeah. Let's see. The note was fix CB grass hut alpha chance. Yeah, so I did touch these textures already previously. CB grass hut. Yeah, let's also open the original ones. CB grass hut 1. Yeah. Okay, let's just copy the whole shebang. The whole set. Yeah, this one. Okay, then let's remove all the stuff that we don't need, which is this and this and this, this, this. Yeah, anything else? Okay, then we need a Photoshop, and then we open this one. Yeah. Okay. So here, yeah, so the question is, do we have floating pixels in there? Probably just a few. Here, there's one. And here's another, and there, just a few. Yeah. Let's open the model and look at it. Yeah. By the way, I noticed that this video series seems to be not so popular with some of the legacy audience. There have been a lot of unsubscription on this YouTube channel because they don't get the carnage anymore. They just get a bunch of modding videos. That's not their jam. It's okay. It's understandable. Most viewers just come in for the carnage. Good. Let's launch and open cbgrashut 1. Let's load it all. Open. Yes. And there it is. Okay, so we look at this. Sure. I mean, here we see there's one floating thingy. Sure. But overall, it seems to be fairly okay. Yeah, it's just this one piece here. Yeah, that's not worth fixing, I would say. I made this 2 pieces. Here's another. Yeah, but like no one is going to see this really. Yeah, this is, I think this one is not worth fixing. But let's take a look at the damaged E and R, if there's any more, or if it's the same. Yeah. Why is there a line here? Okay, so this is... I recall that the threshold behave differently in alpha channel or mask and layer, right? Was that correct? Image threshold. Let's see. And here thresholds. So will these look different or not? Yeah, they look different. That is retarded. That is really retarded. Now the question is, which takes precedence? This is this one. We saw two floating things, right? So here's 1, 2. Yeah, hard to say. Let's see. So there's here one on the corner. On the corner. Not seeing it. Yeah, maybe the game uses a different cutoff threshold, right? So it's not necessarily using the same that we are seeing here. Maybe it's thresholding at 120 or 130 or 140, right? So the middle is 128. But yeah, maybe the cutoff is somewhere else. Okay, but to me this looks fairly all right. What about this one here? Threshold. Oh, this one does have floating pixels here, a bunch. Yeah, really a great number of floating. What about E? Image thresholds. This one also a few. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, here floating, there. Here maybe. Yeah. Here, some floating there. It's not much. cbgrashut. cbgrashut 1 has no documentation. Oh. That's interesting. What did I do here? Looks like I did touch just the alpha channel on that one, but I had not documented this. What about ES? ES also touched, but it's also not documented. Oh. Okay, so I made some mistake with the documentation. Okay. Okay, but we can check what is different simply by comparing it with the original. Right, so we take this one. All right. Then we have this, and then we restore it to this. And as we can see, this one looks the same. And the alpha channel. Aha. Okay, so I already made an effort to fix floating pixels, but not with the threshold technique, but just painting black in there. Okay. I see. Yeah. Okay, but as we discovered, there's still some floating things left. Not really in the center, but here on the sides. Okay, so I think what we should first document is we say cbgrashut E fixes floating pixels in alpha channel. That's the first. Also an ES. And R. We also did not document RS. RS. Yeah. Oh boy. Also just alpha channel. Yeah. Good. So it's probably good. So I think what we do is RS fixes minor alpha channel damage inconsistencies with ES, and that's it. Yeah. Okay, then let's take a look at how we can further improve this. As we established, there's still some floating pixies. So maybe what we can do is we once again go to the original E. Yeah, let's do this. We take this E. I don't know why this is this black line, but it's also here. Let's see. It's also here. Okay. Good. Okay, I think what we should do is, so let's first take a copy of this one, the pristine, yeah? Then we drop that guy in here. Good. Then we take E, yeah, E. We copy this one and also drop that in here, yeah? Good. Good. Then we see, okay, here are the new damages. The black thingies. Good. Then we say okay, I would say we do the following. We keep this one as original, right? Because we don't want it to be mismatching with D and pristine textures, right? So what we do is we just take these damages here, Make a cutout. Well, actually, we can make a cutout of everything inside here. Yeah, like that. Okay, let me check once more. Yeah. And then we also make a cutout of this piece here. Yeah. Okay. And then also a cutout of this one. Yeah. And of course here as well. Okay. And here. Okay. And down here. And here. There's another one. Anything else? No. Good. Then we make a layer mask here. Yeah. Then we take this and we put that on adjustments thresholds. Okay. And then, ooh, that looks wild. That's wild. Let me see. That is, yeah. That really looks wild, but it's not wrong. It's not wrong. Good. Then we take that. Now we create a new layer. And on this layer, we just say, hey, let's fill all these. Oops. Let's fill all these black thingies, white thingies, the floating pixels. Okay. Okay. There's that, and then these guys here, and this, maybe this, and maybe this. Oh, maybe not. Maybe remove this. This. Okay. And this. And maybe connect this. Or remove it. Good. And there's more. Yeah. Okay. And there's more. Okay. So that would be the remake of the E damages without any holds, definite edition. Okay, then we leave it at that for now. And now let's do R, and there's more going on. There's more. Okay, what do we do here? We take a copy of that. Hold on. We want a copy of original R. R is, where is it? No. Deleted it. R. Here. This one. Good. Good. Take this. Yeah. R. Good. There are much more damages here. Oh, that's Grashut too. That's beginner mistake. R. This one. Good. Let's try this again. There we go. R. Good. All right. Good. So we take this and then we make a copy of this one here. No. And then we drop this one here. But before we use that, we first do the same principle here. We make a copy of this, then make cutouts for, what do we do? Cutouts for diff to this one. Yeah. So do this. Yeah. We already have most of them. So just the ones that are different now. So we take this one. And this one. Yeah. Okay. This one. Yeah, all of these in the middle, basically. This. And this. Do we already have it? No. This one. Okay. Anything else? Yeah, there's more. So we also take this one. All right. All right. And then here's another. And of course, here's another big one. Oof. Oof. Okay, did we catch everything? I think so. Good, then we create a mask here and then we go image adjustment, threshold, Okay. And then we take this one and then we do darken. That is quite a lot difference. Ah, because they do have actual difference, yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. And then we take another and we do fill the floating pixels. By the way, I think it's time to put on some music here. Okay, so we draw a bunch of blacks. All right. Good. That should get rid of all the floating pixies. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think that's all. Oh, no, I see something. This one here, but I think that is... Oh. Yeah, let me see. Uh-huh. Okay. I think we need to add this area as well. It is added. Huh? Oh. Mm-hmm. Okay. That's interesting. Okay, maybe like this. Ah, I think I made a mistake here. We should probably just take these over. This and this. Duplicate R. Not this one. And then here we say darken. And here as well. Yeah. I think that is yeah, the more correct approach. Okay, I think that works. And then we take a pencil here, and I would say we just remove this. Yeah, I think this is now correct. Yeah. Okay, so we should have eliminated all the floating pixels in the damages, at least. I mean, there are still probably some left over here in the outer edges, but yeah, that's a different story. That's fine. Good. Yeah, then we can copy merge this one. Drop that in there. And then we can delete all this. Wait. Delete all this. Yeah. And save that. Copy merge. Drop that. Delete that. And save. Good. Good. Then we build that and take a look. Optional scripts and this one. Yes, please. cbgrashut. Good. E. Good. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So there's no floating. That's good. Now, what I do notice is that these damages, they look kind of similar here. The shapes. Maybe we can vary them a little bit. It's already on E. On R, you don't see them really. How about we polish that a bit more Yeah, these dots, they look really similar. This one looks all right, I would say. Okay, so here are the actual damages. Yeah, let's take a pencil and let's put some additional blacks here. How about that? So we draw a bit here and a bit here, like that. Okay. And then here we do like, maybe like that. And here. Like that. Okay, now they don't look so similar anymore. Well, these still look kind of similar here. Maybe we can. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, then we take this and then we put that here and we take that here and darken. Merge, delete, paste. Hold on, is that correct? Yeah. Yeah, it's probably correct. Let's see. Okay, ER. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Build. Okay, ER. Okay. All right. Yeah, I think the holes now look a little bit better. All right. Yep. Yeah, I think that is looking all right. And R. Yeah, it's laying pretty flat for the most part. Yeah, all right. Good, then I think that is polished. Yeah, I should have done that the first time already. But yeah, the first time I fixed it, I didn't know about this threshold technique, which I think is really nice for this. Oh no, I didn't run into here. Drop there and R to RS here. Good. So save this and save that. Good, I think that's it. Fixes floating pixels in alpha channel. And then we probably also say the same here, right? And fixes minor alpha channel damage inconsistencies as well. Yeah. Okay. Then I think that's done. Okay. Save changes. No. Okay, so that was cbgrashut 1. Let's delete all these things here. DDS, yep. Okay. Okay, then let's have a look at grashut 2. That one we did touch. And this one has a wild alpha channel. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, this could be trouble. cbgrashut 2. Oh boy. Yeah, there's floating, there. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, I think on this one, it absolutely makes sense to polish because there's a lot of leaves of floating here. Yeah, this we should polish. It's also interesting that you can actually look through the hut. Yeah. But okay. Okay, I think this one makes sense to polish. Unfortunately, we already touched the texture, so I have to resave them all. Yeah. Okay. So for starters, I would say we take first we take copy of that, and then we delete all the duplicates. This one, this. Yeah. Okay, and then we open that and that. Wait, you can delete more. We can delete this as well. And this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Anything else? EN, N, R, N, yeah. Okay, delete all these. No, there's not much left. G, okay. What does it say here? G is unused. Okay. Then we remove that as well. So we have, what do we have? This damaged E and R and S, DS, ES, RS. Just 8. Oh, it's a small set. Okay, we touched all of them except S. And yeah, looks like we need to touch all of them again. Okay, so E is here, R is here, bring them in order, S, DS, ES, RS. Okay, good. Then I would say we take this one. Actually, before we touch anything, let's first look at the other ones. I think I suspect that I also touched these ones. cbgrashut 2 adds additional damages to alpha channel. Okay. Adds additional damages. Okay. So I added additional damages in E and R. Okay. Okay, but I did not fix floating pixels. All right. ES. Yeah. Okay, but then we can take what I have already done as a base and just add on top of that, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, then I would say we start with this one. Yeah. Good. Okay. Then we add this one here and adjustment thresholds. Yes. Okay. And then we fix all the floating shit. Okay, but we can be smart about this and we can add whites and blacks. So for example, here we can add some whites, right? Here we can add some black. Here we can add some whites. Some black here. Oof, this gives me a headache looking at this thing. Jeez. Okay, so we probably should put some here and here. Here we can remove and there. Here we need to connect. Connect like so. Yeah. Here we should probably connect as well. Yeah, let's do like that. Here. Yeah, it's connected. Delete this. Then delete that, that. Connect this and this. Delete that. Connect this. Delete. Maybe connect here this. Connect here. Here also we need some connections. And here. And here. Oh boy. Yeah, it's not easy to spot it all. I'm really trying, but it's such a pixel mess. Such a mess. Okay, but maybe I catch them all now. Maybe. Yeah, I guess we can try. Copy merge. Drop that in there. We probably also want to clean up this one here. Here. Okay. Okay, let's see. Builds. cbgrass 2. All right, let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think the next issue is, oh, there's still one floating here. I think the next, and two actually. I think the next issue is that now we have this smooth cut here. Maybe this should be improved a little bit. The smooth cut looks totally bonkers. Right? Where are these floating thingies? Let's see. Ah, here. Yeah. Okay. There was another one. Maybe this one here. Could be. Yeah. Okay, so how about we make a new folder and we call it alpha. Yeah. We say here this is cbgrashut 2.dds alpha. Yeah. And we say here this is fix floating pixels. Yeah. And this one is meant to be a group actually. Alpha. Yeah. Put that in. And now we make a new one and we say fix depth maybe. Because maybe we can improve this look a bit. Because it looks like someone took a scissors and just cut here a straight line, like, but really straight. Well, maybe they use cutters, cutter machine. Yeah, but maybe we can make it a bit more beautiful. First, I think what we can do is here on the top, it looks like these ones reach a bit more inwards than those here. So I think what we can do is first we take a black and we paint a few of these a little bit further inwards. Yeah, like that. Okay, I think that gives it a bit more depth here. And then what we can do, we take away some, we draw a bit more black here onto this edge to get more variation here. So like for example, we have like a huge, how do we do this? So maybe we just like draw like this a bit inwards, like this, right? And then this one here, this one, and this one. Okay. Okay, so this way we should have a bit more variation maybe. And then we do the same up here. Okay. Maybe this gives a bit more variation on the edges. And then maybe we can do the same here, take away some of this. Oh, I just realized there's one that is not connected. Yeah. Okay. Maybe like that. That maybe also remove some here. Okay. And maybe remove some here. Okay. And maybe here. Okay, we can check how this looks for starters. Now maybe we can even cut it in more here. Okay. Good. I hope for the best. But the good thing is we have different layers, so we can always go back, right? Okay, but my hope is that maybe this makes it look a bit better. Maybe we can go one more here on this side. Maybe here we take one more black. And we also do this. It could be better. Could be better. So this is the original. This is the polished. Let's see. Copy merged. Drop that in there. Add door. Good. Save. Good. Built. Let's see. Well, I have to say this is easy fixing. Just the alpha channel is black and white drawing. Easy peasy. Oh, by the way, while looking at this, I see one more thing. Maybe we should work on that here. White here. Good. Let's do that. Copy merge. Okay, let's do it again. Okay. cbgrashut 2. Okay. Yeah, so here we have a little bit of variance, but overall it still looks quite straight. Yeah, it's a bit better here. Okay, looks like we need to cut in a little bit more aggressively. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's Caesar here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we can do a bit more. Fixed depth. So we add more variation here as well. Like that. There's still a floating thingy here. I don't know where this comes from. Maybe this one here could be. Hard to say. I don't really know where the cutoff is. I think I would have to see the model texture mapping. Yeah. This looks okay. I don't know. It's not easy. Let's see how this looks. Probably not all that much better. Yeah, that's a bit better. Yeah, I think this side looks quite decent, I would say. The other side, yeah. I think this looks good here. Maybe here should be more cut. Okay, maybe this maybe this will help a little bit more. Oh, by the way, now I drew over the alpha channel. Ah, god damn it. I didn't mean to do that. Shit. Oh, mistake. Yeah, that's not good. Can we get this out of here somehow? I think maybe we can copy merged this, and then we do a difference. That's just white. Yeah, okay, but difference. Okay, but that's, I guess, one piece of it. Well, I just painted black, right? Well, I probably also painted a bit white. Well, let's see. So I make this, select color range, black, select fixed depth, and then let's, yeah, put the black here. Let's see if that is good enough. Yeah. I think I also painted some white somewhere, but probably not much. Mostly black. Yeah, I think that looks okay. Okay, then we can delete this, and then actually we can now compare. If we take this and copy merge and then we drop it in here, it should look almost the same, but it does not. There's some differences. Yeah. Okay. Then what we can do is we copy this once more, and then we drop this in here. Then we take this and then we do copy merged, and then we drop this in here, and then we take this and then we put another difference, and then we have the whites. Oh my gosh. And then we do select color range, take those white pixels, select them, and et voila, paste the whites, and boom, we got it restored as layers. There we go. Good. Now we can edit, copy, merge that, and then put that in there, and now it looks exactly the same, and we are golden. Good. Then let's test this. What I don't like are those dots, these dots here. I think we should make an effort to make these more like lines and not dots, right? I mean, this looks kind of, I mean, some dots are probably fine, but it's just too many, right? Especially here. Let's see. Here, all these dots here, yeah, that's, I don't like this. But we can fix this. Okay, maybe we should try that. I'm a bit scared though. Did a lot of changes. Looks very different to the original. But hopefully for the better. Oops, that's not the intent. All right, let's see what we got now. Oh boy, this looks retarded. Oh hell no. Okay. Well, that looks wild. Okay, so but we. Okay. So what we should avoid doing is like these kinds of pixels. So what we probably need to do is we need to connect them like this. Same here, connect like that. That's unfortunate. This one is pretty ugly. Yeah, it's really hard to fix this. I mean, hard as in time consuming. I don't know. But I think overall it already looks better than the original. Still not quite perfect, but it doesn't have the floaty thingies anymore. Oops. Yeah, I think it's not quite perfect, but it's also not too bad, right? I would say. Yeah. I think it's okay. Yeah, it looks okay. I can live with it. Could be better, but it's also all right. Let's check if there are no floating thingies left. But it doesn't look like so. Just a bunch of dots here. Bunch of dots. I'd say this side looks a bit better than this one here. And this side, uh, I suspect that this is the upper edge, right? Yeah, I think this one here is this. Okay, let's do this more polishing. Okay, so here we can probably remove those dots here. And yeah, on the opposite side. Where we can... So maybe we can remove here more. Okay, let's take a look at this. I think I can fix here for decades. This one should be broken up. Where's this? Oh boy. Somewhere here. This one probably. Yeah, I think it's fine now. Let's we have to come to an end. We can't fix this forever, right? What I do find a bit odd is that we can see here through the building. Right, so this would be here, this side. Maybe it would make sense to take a bit away here. A bit of the blacks. Let's see. So what we could do is we just paint a few here whites. Oh, maybe that will already help a bit. Okay, let's try this. Copy merged. Right. Save and build. Okay, cbgrashut 2. Good. Okay. Yeah, it's a bit less maybe. Yeah. The tiniest. Yeah. Sweet dots, where are these? Here. This one is still here. Perhaps it's this here. Okay, so it looks like we see less inside the building. That's good. Yeah. I think this side looks pretty decent. This side, yeah, looks alright. Still, it has like a really sharp edge. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe we should break up this a bit here. It's a top center, this here. Yeah. Yeah, let's break up this here. Okay. That is now a lot shorter. Can probably also break this one up. All right, let's have a look at that one then. Okay, so if we compare this with cbgrashut S, let's see. So S has the original cutout. Yeah, I would say that's a decent improvement. Yeah. Huh, I actually just noticed now that grayscale actually does put different shapes. Yeah, interesting. It's now, okay. So black and white is not really necessary. Yeah. Okay, that's interesting. So as you can see here, like this one, for example, gives a different shape here. Yeah, interesting. I did not know this. Okay. I wonder. I wonder what happens if we apply like a blur on this one. Well, that looks crap. 0 point. I think we need to copy new image. So we do like 400%. So a 2% blur. And then 25%. Like that. How does that look? Ah, that's not quite right. Also, this is not correct. This is with threshold. Alpha threshold. 128. Gives it more of a round look. Yeah, this is interesting. Okay, I think we should do it like this then. Well, there's now an artifact here. But I think this looks pretty decent. Other than this one pixel here, which we can probably fix manually. Okay. Yeah, let's compare this with S. S. Yeah, I would say that overall it's an improvement. It's not big improvement, but it is an improvement, right? So we can probably do this. Okay, but then we need to manually fix this one piece here. Where is it? Oh boy. Well, first I would need to identify which side. It's got this one here. Is this one? Yeah, I think it is this one. So it's probably... Maybe this. Maybe this here. I don't know. My suspicion is it's this here, but I'm not sure. Oops. Let's see. It's really hard to tell. Really hard. Yeah, it was that. Okay. Good. Then maybe we also fix that here. This one. So it's alpha. Let me see. How can I most easily replicate this? If we do copy merged. The question is, if I do Gaussian blur 0.5, will this look like that or not? Let's say 0.5. Not quite. So what we did is Gaussian blur. How much Gaussian blur did we apply? It was 1, maybe. Two. Okay, let me just document this here. Needs 4x upscale plus 2.0 Gaussian blur. Gaussian blur. To 0. Well, wait. Alpha needs 4x upscale, comma, Gaussian blur, comma, 4x downscale. Yeah, that's what we did. And then we got that look. It's really quite complicated, but yeah. If it works, right? Good. All right. Okay, but with this new knowledge, I also come to the conclusion that doing the threshold thing is not the right thing to do either, because it gets rid of like specific shapes, right? Like it puts everything into squares, which does not look necessarily better. It makes it easier to find the black holes, but it does not make it necessarily better. Okay. So I think what we need to do is we need to use a threshold to identify the the spots, but then try to fix it without using thresholds. Yeah. Maybe we should do this. Okay. Well, we keep on learning here. Okay. But this to me looks now very promising. So yeah, let's have another look. Yeah. I think it looks decent. Let's compare this once more with cbgrashut S. Yeah. So this edge down here is definitely an improvement. I'm very certain. This side, yeah, it looks very similar, but it has all the floating thingies fixed, so that's good. This side looks much better. Yeah, much better. Yeah, it's definitely an improvement. And here, yeah, it's also an improvement. Yeah. I like it. I mean, it still could be better. It's still got the hard line here, so it's still not optimal. But it's an improvement over the original, I would say. So let's take it. Take it. Good. Yeah, and also we cannot look into the house as much anymore. Yeah, so before, yeah, we were able to look much more into the house there. Through the house. Yeah. Okay, so we can document this as cbgrashut 1 2 fixes floating pixels in alpha channel, but also reduces area to look through house and look through, yeah, look into house through hay, through roof, and yeah, I think that's fixes floating pixels. Maybe improves. Maybe we should just simplify it. Improves look of roof. It improves roof visuals in alpha channel. Yeah. And then we remove this here. Okay. I think that is good enough. Okay. Then next step is we take this copy and then we drop it here in this. Wow, this looks so much different. But yeah, this would have been impossible to fix. Like, how do you make sense of this? Like, you have to use threshold to get the baseline, right? Like, how there's no system here. It's harder, even harder to fix this. Yeah, I think the approach I did was okay. Yeah, good. Then we got this, and Yeah, let's fix S first. S and DS. Yeah. And so ES, E and ES. Okay, how do we do this? I would say we take that and then we take this. We take this and then we take this. Ah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, maybe like this. Yeah, we should probably take take the original once more. Take that alpha channel, copy, paste it here. Yeah. Okay. Looks like actually there's a bit of a inconsistency between these. It's really minor though. Like here the white, right? It shouldn't be here this white, but it is. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, let's hide this. Then we got this. And I'm not sure what is happening here. Maybe this should be just darken. Darken. Let's see how that looks. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Let's make this white. Okay, let's make a copy of this. And let's make all this black. And then this white. Hello? And then set that to darken. And that doesn't work correctly. Why? Okay, that looks like the cutout is bad here. Oh, wrong. Okay. There we go. Good. Then I think we can refine this a bit more. We take this, paint this black, this, all this black here. Good. This can be white here. Okay. Okay, then let's take a look how this looks. Delete this. Copy merge. All right, save, builds. Okay. cbgrashut 02E. Yeah. There's something floating here. Here. Actually, multiple pieces floating here. Yeah, I think this is from this here. Oh, this looks bad here. But I think there's just a texture mapping is changed. Okay. Okay, but I don't see any floating pixels here on the main damages, so that is good. Then I think we just need to fix these 4 thingies here. Okay. Good, then let's go in here. And yeah. Back. How about we just make this whole row black here. I think that's the way it should be. But it's also used here. Ah, yeah, okay. Okay, wait. Then let's return this once more. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so the artifacts here are gone. This one still looks good. And so does this. Okay. Yeah. I think this looks good. Okay, but this now also means I will no longer do threshold for damages. I think. I will try to fix it first without threshold. Because it gives better visuals. Threshold makes it easy to fix, but it makes the things rectangular. It doesn't look good. Yeah. Okay. Another story learned. Good. So we got this, and then we make this for R as well. So this one, this. Let's copy this one over here, duplicate. Let's place this in here and this in there. This. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. Now we put white here. Oops. Okay. What am I doing here? Good. Copy merged. Here. Okay. Well, I hope that looks now good. E and R. Good, then we can delete this. Save it. Let's delete that as well. Save it. Okay. Let's check it. cbgrass. Looks good. Did we build? Oh, we didn't save this. That explains. Good. Okay, that is just pure chaos here. Yeah, it looks good to me. Good. Okay. Well, I hope it was worth it. A lot of time spent on this one. But I think other grass huts also use the same texture, so the others we can probably easily copy paste fix. So that would probably be easier. Okay. So then let's copy this one. I think I already copied to S, yeah, and DS, yeah, these are already there. So then we just need to copy this one to ES and this one to RS, like that. Good. And then we save this and that. This. Ah, it's a new one. Save as. Save. Good. Okay, let's close them all. No. Okay, documentation. Fixes floating pixels. Basically, it's all of these here. The E, R, and S, DS, ES, and RS. Yeah. Okay. I think now with the stuff we learned in this texture set, we should probably go back to all the others and apply the new learnings as well. What did we do here again in Grasshut 1? Fix this minor Channel damage inconsistencies, fixes floating pixels. Right. How about we do the following? What did we touch? GitHub, git open this cbgrashut. So it EESRRS. Okay. And let's do the following. We go to EESRRS. We copy and paste them, make copies of these guys. Then we go in here, we go and reset file changes on grashut 1. Okay. And then we open all of these, yeah, in Photoshop. All right. And then we open this ones. This is the original, and this is our latest edit. Yeah. Okay, so I think I already... Yeah, let's build this. I would say we go ahead and we manually fix it without thresholding. That's what I tried to do originally already. And we take a brush, put the flow on 50%. Yeah. I think what we can do is for... Actually, no, we don't need to do that. Let's open cbgrashut 1e. Let's check if there's anything floating. Anything. This one is... Yeah, it is kind of floating. Where is it? It's the big damage. This one. It's probably this one here. This here. Yeah. Okay, let's take a brush and paint black here. Like that. Okay. Okay, do we have anything else floating? Here we have some bunch of things on the edges where the big damage is. This one? Or this one? This one probably. Yeah. Okay, then let's fix this manually here. All right. Okay, that perhaps helps. Let's save this and try. cbgrashut 1e. This looks good. There's still something floating here. This one looks all right. Yeah. Okay, where's this? Which damage is this? Can only be this one here, right? So it's probably this one here. Oh. And here. This one. This. Okay. And this one is still there. Huh? Which damage is this? Must be this one here, no? Maybe it's this here, this. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Save. Build. cbgrashut E. Okay, we still got some floating here. This one is fixed. This one is fixed as well. Okay, just this one here. Where's this? Between the big damage and the 3 damages. Ah, this one here. Yeah. So it's probably this one here. Yeah, this one. And this one. And this. And maybe this here. Maybe this here as well. Good. Maybe we try this. Yeah. Okay, save that. My gosh. cbgrashut 1e. Yep, this looks fixed now. Good. Okay, looks like we fixed all the floating ones now. Yeah. Good, then this is now also polished. Good. Yeah, I think that's a better strategy then. Yeah, let's not do the thresholding anymore. It's not a good idea. Oops. Edit, copy, and R. So now what we need to do is we take this here, and then we take this, and then this, darken, which is this, and then we copy, then we paste here, and then we delete this, And then voila, we now can save this. Yeah, okay, let's take a look at this one. cbgrashut 1R. That's relatively flat. Yeah, there's something floating here, but I think that is, yeah. Yeah. Let me see, cbgrashut E. That's already floating here. cbgrashut D. Is it also floating there? Yeah, it's also floating here. Actually. Yeah, this one is floating there, but this one is new. Let's go back to E. Ah, it's this one here. I see. Okay, and let's fix this one as well. There we go. Okay, save that. Okay. Okay, let me take this, copy this here. Oh no, that is incorrect. Okay. Some more things here. Okay. Okay, I think that is fine. Good, then we take this, copy to ES, copy this one to RS. Okay. Okay, well, not a big change. Fixes floating pixels. Okay. Good. Yeah, so yeah, we did a little bit of progress, and let's finish the cbgrashut next time, tomorrow. I'll take a break now. Yeah, so it looks like, to me, it looks like we should revisit some of these guys here where we fix the pixels, but yeah, now on second thought, it's probably not such a great idea to use the threshold. Luckily, it wasn't all that many, and we haven't submitted them yet, so that's also good. I guess for some things it makes sense. For others, yeah. Okay. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Just means more time is needed to polish it. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Then yeah, I would say we finish the cbgrashuts first, and then we create a pull request for all the grashuts, and then we look at once more at the other guys. Yeah. Okay. Well, as long as we make progress, it's all good. All right. Then yeah, I will take a break now. And then I wish you a great day or night until next time. Yeah. Goodbye.